health setback. I was in trial, and you know, I was just tired and burned out. I was in trial in Florida. I don't practice in Florida, right? But I was doing a trial down there, and you know what the defense does is to burn your bandwidth, upset you, all this stuff. And so trial started on Tuesday. Thursday night at 11 p.m., the defense sent a motion to dismiss. I saw it come by on my iPad. I did not read it. Like, I'm gonna go to sleep, right? And I've heard Rex Paris talk about his folks who stay up through the night responding to these things. Not sure I can do that at my age. So I didn't. I woke up, I got ready early. I woke up, I prepared for what I needed to do that day, ate my breakfast, got cleaned up. Literally, I was about to go to trial and I thought, oh yeah, they filed that motion. Let me run it through the AI program. That worked out great because I had something to actually give the judge. I had something in front of me when I went to argue, and you know, their argument lasted a couple minutes, and my response was really quick, and you know, the judge, you know, denied their motion.
Very nice.
We lived to keep going. Okay. This was the best part. So, the defense said on Friday at the end of the day that on Monday, when they closed their case, they needed an hour. They needed an hour to argue their motion to dismiss at the end of the case. And so over the weekend, all I could think of was, what the heck is this guy what is he gonna argue for an hour, right? In an admitted liability, damages only case, doctors, lay people, those are the witnesses. That's it, and some medical expenses for the future. So what I did was, this time it took me 20 minutes. So I asked the Anytime AI to draft for me, or to, you know, give me the case law, what our response would be in a case where it was admitted liability, blah 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 blah. I want you to know, in 20 minutes. I had a seamless memo, you know, and so what I did was, and I had 5 cases from Florida, and we returned the favor at 11 o'clock on Saturday night. We filed our anticipatory response to the defendant's motion to dismiss with 5 cases. So then on Monday, at the close of their evidence, he wanted to argue. I want you to know, he did not take an hour like he promised. He took 10 minutes. Then I got to go in and read in much of the memo with my cases. And I want you to know, the judge, you guys have all been there, the judge was like leaning forward. I swear to God, guys, she wanted to dismiss my case. And, you know, and I gave her every reason in the world why, you know, it had to be left up to the jury. And so we lived through that. And when I was done, when I got back, I, you know, reached out to the guys at Anytime AI, and I was like, you guys, you don't understand. I got to spend my time focusing on my case, taking care of myself, focusing on, you know, doing what I needed to do, rather than getting pulled off to do all this research. We didn't need anybody else to do it, and we lived and survived, and it made it fun. Needless to say, like the defense firm against me, they have hundreds of lawyers. They're just chomping at the bit to you know, throw a gaggle of people at me, and now it'll feel like I have a bunch of people on my side too. So I'm pretty excited.